Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to use this layout that is from Scrappy Soulmate, and we are going to scrap lift this from her. And Laura's the one that found this, and this is one that is on Instagram, and I will link the post to it. So she was participating in the Pink Fresh Challenge, and it looks like she's got some tags and some distress oxides and all that. So I pulled out the newest Hip Kit one. So the newest one I got is February, and pulled that out, and that's what I'm going to use. So I got a Vicky Boutin, there's two Vicky Boutin stencils I'm going to use. I am not sure which collections they were from, but they're one of hers. And I know it's one of the newer ones because they're the clear ones versus the bluish ones that she used to use, or that she used to have them cut on, or American Crafts did. The color that I'm going to use here is going to be the Distressed Oxide, the Dried Marmalade, because it matches the orange that is in the flowers that I am going to use. It's really, really close. I wanted it to be subtle like she had on her layout. And she's using Pick Fresh Studio as well. And the funny thing is that this collection is quite a bit the same, even though that it is a very different one that she uses. So I am softening up the squared colored section on this layout that I am using, or doing, I should say, because I didn't want the words that I used, the stencil words, to be like square-ish. So by doing this on top and with having the circles, it kind of takes out the square in it. So I am going to make a 3-inch tag, and then kind of build off of there. I do grab another piece of paper that I put behind it to kind of make it so it's kind of like a square on square, and then I work around that to get away from the square, like the squareness of it, by putting all of my embellishments and everything. So make sure that you go check out Laura's channel as well. I am literally doing this voiceover the same day that this is supposed to go up. It's just been crazy at school. My allergies aren't the greatest, as you can tell, so my voice kind of goes in and out. It's just the pollen season has been really bad here, and I'm allergic to everything anyway, so that doesn't help. And then when pollen season for Georgia, there's like different days of the year where it gets bad and then it's good. But when it's bad, it's bad. And right now it's bad. And so it just drives me nuts. Because I'm allergic whether I live in Georgia or not. So that is something that just follows me anyway. So the state of Georgia just makes it worse for me. But it's all good. I'm used to it. I've been used to it. When I've had allergies all my life, it just makes it, that much more fun, right? So I am just going in with my layering pieces, and I wanted to kind of build upon these photos. This is the second to the last photo of this particular trip to Lake Constant. I have just one more photo, or two more photos that I want to do, which is the flowers, which is what this whole lake is, or like this island is all about, is the florals. And behind my daughter is some ducks. They had it looked like a mama duck with their babies, and it's kind of like in some flowers, like they're walking across. But my daughter had some fun expressions, so I wanted to make that stick out a little bit more. So I made the photos a little bit smaller. I don't know, it's been weird. Like, I don't mind doing the 2.5 by 3 inch layout or photos that I'm doing right here, because I make them so that they're so prominent on the photo or on the page that you can't even tell that I made them that small. but it actually looks really good. I'm presently surprised that I've been doing this size of a layout lately. So I'm going through the embellishments. I do save you the pain of me sticking all of these down, but I wanted to show you like what I do first, and then I turn off the camera and get these all stuck down, and then I come back to finish up the layout. Just to try to help keep, you know, things down and you're not like painfully going over. So I do Wonderful Together is my title, and it says less lazy around, more working out, beautiful, less worrying, more hoping. Those are the little sentiments, I guess, if you want to call it, that I use on the bottom of that layout. And my title is just going to be Wonderful Together. And I really love how this one turned out. So I get the butterflies because obviously part of the island, that's what I was trying to think of. Part of the island does have butterflies, so I figured, you know what, I'll just extend that butterfly along to that. And so there you see all of it done. And I just really love how it just comes together, right? Like it just works out. So I do come in with the enamel dots and go through that. I do make sure that I did do my journaling, and everybody asks me what my journaling pens are, and honestly I get these like in a teacher, like it's a teacher self-care kit that comes monthly, and they're just in there. A lot of times teachers like to use these styles of pens to like grade, and I don't like them at all. I use them on my journaling. So that's what pens I use. It's just like a 1 inch, like a 0.1 and a 0.3. Every once in a while you'll see me use a 0.5, but not much more than that for that. But then I go in and I do the tag, and I come in with my black splatters. I really love the black splatter pen. I do get questions about that too, and that's the Liquitex. And I'm starting to use this other brand a little bit more. The only thing that I don't like about it is it's a little bit more watered based, but it is a good option if the Liquitex can't come in, and it's ZY or ZR. And I do like it, but that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. And yeah, stay safe. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.